Are you looking for a website that gives you lots of money without doing anything? Well, I am going to tell you a website through which you can easily make $400 a month without doing anything. You must be thinking that I'm mad. No, you genuinely won't be doing anything because everything will be done by a software. Let's learn how you can earn money through this method. It will be an autopilot and you will be making more automatically. This is an amazing passive income source. You will be making money while sleeping, eating, or swimming. Do watch full video because I will be teaching you from scratch. You don't need any prior experience or investment to start this process. You can start this from any location in the world. Before we dig deep into the process, our motive is to teach you how to make money. If you genuinely learned something from this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit the post notification button so you always get latest updates from our videos. Watch the complete video and don't miss the end. I have a surprise for you in the end that will help you to 10 times your income. Step number 1. For you will be come over to this website called Creative Jobs or CJINC. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find the websites that you need because I have left you all the links that you will need in this video down below in the description. So work smarter and feel free to click on the links from the description. Also, you can come to this website through Google. You need to go to Google and here in the search bar you need to search for CJINC like this. When you hit enter, Google will show you these results. Now you need to click on the first result that appears on this page. It will look like this CJI and C point info. Earn $3.50 per page worldwide online job for all. As you could see, this is a worldwide job for everyone. So no matter where are you from, you will be able to make money with this website. On this website, you will be able to do different things in different jobs. There are actually a lot of them, but there is one job that you will be focusing on this video. That job will pay you the highest for the littlest work. So alongside a free bot that will do the job for you and earn money for you, you will be able to work something else on this website if you want and earn additional cash. You can do some of these jobs: market research, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, and online teaching. In this way, you can just earn more money, but again, it's only up to you. If you want to work a little bit more and earn more cash, but of course, you don't have to do it because this bot will do all the work for you and only with it, you will again earn a decent amount of money every day. When you scroll down a little bit, you can see some testimonials from other people. As you can see that this girl is from Philippines, this is from United States, and this guy is from Australia. They work with this website every day and they're earning money with this every day. So once again, you can see that there is really a worldwide method and it's available for everyone who is interested in making money online. Now when you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see that the website was created in 2014. So it has been used for a long time and it was survived because of its quality. Now before I show you how you can use this website and start making money, immediately make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on. Also, I will give you some bonus tips on how you can increase your earnings. Make sure to keep watching the video until the end and to not miss any of these tips. Now let's make some money. Now when you come over to the home page of this website, you will see this menu on the top right corner of the page. There you can see the options like Home, About, Requirement, Career, FAQ, and Contact. When you put your mouse over the Career button, you will be able to see even more jobs that this website is offering. When you actually click on the Career button, this website will show you all of the jobs that you are able to work with on this website. Now, as I said earlier, you will be just focused on one job today from this website because the job will be able to work on autopilot. That is this job called Online Proofreading Jobs. As you can see, it will make you from $5 to $10 per 1,000 words. You will need to correct grammatical errors, spellings, mistakes, and factual inaccuracies, but don't worry, you will not do anything on your own because I have found a free bot that will do all the work for you. You don't need to know English, you don't need to be a fluent speaker or whatsoever. I will show you exactly how this works. For now, you just need to click on this job. It will take you to this page where you will be able to find more information about the jobs, more job features, earnings, and so on. Now you can read this if you want, but I have already told you everything that you need to know. Now I want you to scroll down here until you can see this orange button. Then click on the Supply for Jobs button. It will take you to this page where you need to click here on the Download Application form and you will see this registration. From that you will need to fill out in order to work for this website. So the first thing is that you need to select your job and it will be proofreading jobs. Then enter your full name here, your email address here, then date of birth. And select your gender here. Then you need to select here if you are married or here if you are unmarried. And you need to enter your contact number in this box here. After that, you need to enter your country here. And then you need to select your current profession status here. I highly recommend you to select employed and freelancer here because then you will be marked as a professional and they will push more jobs offers for you. Then what hours are you available to work? I highly recommend you to select both for these first two boxes here because it will maximize the number of jobs that you will be getting from this website. Here I highly suggest you to choose the second option because you will again earn more money for the withdrawal option. You can choose whatever is the best for you, but of course, for me, the simplest way is PayPal. Here you need to check this box before the last step, which will be leave your signature right here. After that, you just need to click on Submit and congratulations, you have successfully registered to work with this website. You will start getting jobs from this website to your email address. Here is one example of those jobs. It will look something like this. As you can see, this is an article and you need to correct all the grammatical issues from it. I will show you right now how to do this in 1 minute or even less. First thing is that you need to copy this entire article. So select everything here and then simply click on copy. After that, you need to come over to this website called SlickWrite. This is the bot that will correct all the grammatical issues for you and it will do all the work for you. Here you need to click on Start Writing and it will send you to this page. Here you need to paste the entire article that you just copied. Then you need to click here to continue and just wait a little bit as you can see it has corrected everything for you. Now you can simply copy the corrected text and you can submit it again on this website. You can do this over and over again and earn as much money as you want. And that's it for today's video. Here you can see my other videos and you can watch what you want. Make sure to leave a like on this video and to subscribe to this channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of our future money making methods. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.